To embroider a Dutch cross stitch, start with an elongated cross stitch. Then add a vertical stitch across it. If you use the stitch for filling, offset the rows of the stitches so they fit nicely to fill the space. You can also use the stitch as scattered decorative elements inside your design. The back side of the fabric might get quite messy, as there are a lot of jumping threads.